Hi guys, welcome back to the music school. My name is Clement, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can use the mic with some cool effects. So for the DJs who like to talk on the mic and who are confident about using the mic for the beginners, there are a few really nice effects on the mixer that you can use, and you can actually like enhance your set and make it sound a little funny and various other things. So come a little closer and I will show you what you can do with the mic. So guys, this is exactly where your mic functions are. You have the low and the high EQ to set your voice, tone it up a little bit, master volume for the mic. Make sure you never clip your voice. Don't make it too loud, because on the main sound you will sound very bad. And this is your off, on and talk over. Talk over is basically a function when you keep this on, automatically when you're talking the music playing will go soft. I usually don't prefer this function because I use monitors and the monitor sound is picked up by the mic and it thinks you're talking and it drops the level of the main music. So just simply put it on whenever you have to talk. Once your mic is on, make sure you have selected mic over here. As you see, MIC is for mic. Select mic because otherwise no effects will be working. And then we have various effects over here on the effects panel. The best effect to choose is echo. Maybe you can use echo towards the time when you're going to say something special and end it in a certain style, like when you're closing the ceremony and you can say last track for the night, 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 night. See you guys tomorrow. So this is an echo function that you can use in various styles. Put your creativity to use. And then we can also use a function called reverb. Reverb is used by people who sometimes use the mic to sing and stuff like that. So let me show you how you sound. So this is me normal, and then when the reverb is on, you see a slight echo. Hello test. Hello test. Check. Mic test. Check mic 1 2. That's the reverb. And then you can use pitch. You can change the way you sound and pitch. This is me that sounds normal right now. This is how I sound. I'll put the pitch on and I'll go to -25 first. Hello, check. What's up? Welcome to the club. Hello, check. Welcome to the club. The ceremony is about to begin.
Now I've gone plus 26. You can use these functions to sound funny sometimes.
So yeah, you can use all these functions to use and make enhance your set and sound funny sometimes and entertain the audience a little bit. Your pitch and your echo can be used in various formats. Especially echo can be used towards like the end of the sentences and stuff like that. These videos are very simple, very basic for the beginners. So I hope that there is something that you learned out of this. If not, you can always reach out to us at the Music School page. Thank you and see you for the next video.